श्री भजन रहस्य सप्तम जाम साधन इस श्लोक को पढ़ रहे थे, जिसमें श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कृष्ण के साक्षात दर्शन का विवरण तथा श्रीमद् भागवतासम आदि मेहमान मुकम्मल पीताम्बर धर प्रभु साक्षात मर्म से इस श्लोक के बारे में श्रवण करेंगे।
श्लोक नंबर 16।
श्लोक पूरा हो गया
नहीं, आपने बोला था कराऊंगा। एक एक चीज़ की व्याख्या बताएंगे, उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे।
कृष्ण जब विरहा व्याकुल उस पत्नी की समाज में जब प्रकट हुई, तब उस समय सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद कृष्ण के किस प्रकार चेस्टाइजमेंट करते हुए
So yesterday we have heard a little bit about the Bhajan Rahasya, text number 17. So just then Shri Krishna appeared in the midst of the gopis. His lotus face blossoms with a mild, gentle smile. Hanging from his neck was a garland of forest flowers, and he wore a golden yellow pitambar. What was the nature of his beauty? That beauty stirs the mind of Kamdev, who himself stirs minds of everyone. So Shri Krishna, who is expert in increasing his devotees' prem, disappeared from the Ras dance. Devastated by separation from him, weeping the gopis arrived at the bank of Yamuna. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari. There they performed kirtan, having exhausted all alternatives in their search for him. Their voices were full of extreme feeling, and they used to metaphors with multiple meanings to express their sentiments. Restless in the pain of separation, the Vrajramnis, tears full of prem, flowed freely and continuously from their eyes. At that time, Shri Krishna Chandra, who was in the dense, dark forest, heard their weeping and suddenly appeared in the midst, manifesting his lustre.
सरल तरीका है, पूरे दुख प्रदान कर आप प्रफुल्लित हो रहे हैं। गोपियों के दुख देकर सूर्य प्रकाश कर रहे हैं। सुबह सुखदेव गोस्वामी मणि मन सोच रहे हैं कि ऐसे सूर्य पर डूब पड़े। यदि आपका सरल अंतःकरण होता तो आप ऐसे न करते। यह प्रेम की अथवा है, जिससे प्रेम की असंत गाढ़ता है, यह कर सकते हैं। इस श्लोक में क्या बोला?
So what is told in the shlok? Aswa. Aswa means क्या करना?
उसको सहन करना।
हाँ, असुआ मीन्स देयर इज
जिसमें प्रेम की अत्यंत गाढ़ता ऐसा प्रेम की जो गाढ़ता जब होता है ये वक्वा नामक एक भाव तरंग आकृति।
So aswa means whenever a waves comes of so much separation that which is not able to tolerate.
विदग्ध चूड़ामणि श्री कृष्णचंद्र ब्रजभूमि की मध्य अपना अपूर्व सौंदर्य प्रकाश करते हुए प्रकट।
So Krishna appeared in the Rast with full of his beauty amongst the gopis. When Krishna was appeared in the amongst the gopis, when they were so much feeling separation, so there Sukadeva Goswami Pad is describing by three kinds of adjectives of Shri Krishna. First, Smayaman. Smayanam means although his face was radiant and smiling, Shri Krishna's heart was remorseful. So the beautifulness of Krishna is so much joyful that he is little bit smiling. And nobody knows that what kinds of bhav he is expressing amongst the gopis. So he smiled. So the expression he is giving, it's removing all kinds of sorrows of the gopis. So his smile to remove their distress and console them. Darshan of his extremely enchanting lotus face removes all the gopis' sorrow. When Shri Krishna, wearing a pitambar, heard the distress-filled cry of the Braj Devis. He is called Pitambar Dhar. So how Krishna is holding his pitambar with his both hand, and Krishna is coming so fast for giving the darshan to the gopis. Maybe he is thinking that my pitambar fall down on the ground because he is running so fast. So that's why he is holding his pitambar so tightly with his both hands. So holding his pitambar around his neck so that it would not slip off. Shri Krishna has charmed the gopis with the sound of his flute. All those gopis had abandoned their families, morality, steadfastness and shyness to arrive at Krishna's side. But on that day, and second he is saying, Krishna has holding his pitambar on the neck and holding with the both arms. So Krishna would like to tell that Krishna is thinking, look, I have given the suffering to the gopis. This is my offense. That's why. So thinking that I am very offender, so he appeared amongst the gopis. So he is thinking that I have given so much suffering to the gopis. So Krishna himself thinking that I am so much offender. So Krishna himself thinking that I am offender because I have given so much suffering to the gopis. Just like offender person, when he accept his offense, why his neck cloth he hold it with both hand and said that I am the offender. He accept their offenses. In the same way, Krishna appeared himself
अपराधी
amongst the gopi, and they are saying that I am the offender because I have given so much suffering to you.
क्योंकि मैंने क्या दिया
Because the very soft-hearted, very soft-natured gopis, to them I have given so much suffering. That's why I am offender.
तो अपराधी जब स्वीकार कर लेते हैं
When offender accepts their offenses,
पीताम्बर
so for forgiveness they always used to hold their pitambar with both hands,
मोटे से दबा रखा है
and he is holding his pitambar with his lips.
अपराधी तीनों मुख में दबाकर दीनता पूर्वक स्वयं गले में डालकर क्षमा याचना करते हैं
So his hands held his pitambar, which he used to carefully wipe away the tears from the eyes of the Braj Devis who were grief-stricken,
आंखों में तीन स्थान को जो है दबा करके प्रार्थना करते हैं
just like somebody's offender who always presented himself taking a blade of grass and holding his teeth.
सजत्र के साथ पीताम्बर के हाथ में धारण किए
His hand held his pitambar.
ये कृष्ण इस पीताम्बर के हाथ में क्यों धारण
Why Krishna is holding his pitambar in his hand?
के निकट ये कहना चाहते
Because he would like to tell before the gopis, hey gopis,
हैं अपराधी
I am the offender
और मेरे लिए आप इतने तड़प रही हो
and you are suffering so much for me and your tears is coming out from your eyes.
मेरा कर्तव्य क्या है
That's why what is my duty?
कि आंसू को जो मैं
I have to wipe up your
ईश्वर के द्वारा क्या
I have to wipe your tears with this pitambar.
है, ये भी भाव व्यक्त करते हैं
So they are expressing this kinds of feelings
क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मेरे लिए इतने अब त्याग दिए हैं।
because you have abandoned everything for me.
इससे के द्वारा क्या ये तो कृष्ण के मानव हृदय में एक ऐसे जो भाव उत्पन्न है।
First, Krishna has so much expressing this kinds of feeling that I am offender. This kinds of feeling he is expressing,
और उस भाव से गोपियों की क्या कर रहे हैं
and with that bhav, what they would like to do with gopis,
आंखों की आंसू
and they would like to wipe up the tears of with his pitambar.
अपने पीताम्बर के द्वारा मैं हाँ? कितना सुंदर भाव है अत्यंत प्रकृति के साथ पीताम्बर के हाथ में धारण किए ब्रजनंदन गोपियों यह भाव भी बता रहे कि आप लोग पीठ भरने
So Brajendra is also relating the following mood to the gopis: you are of golden complexion, so I have covered my body, heart and mind with the pitambar.
कृष्ण जी ये भी कहना
And what he is saying,
इसे धारण किए
why I have put on the pitambar?
प्रगाढ़ और प्रणय होने के
Because I have so much love and affection towards you.
प्रणय से कहा जाता है
What is pranay actually? Pranay is called when hero and heroines, nine and nayikas, they have mind, body and soul is submerge each other.
आदि जैसा
Even everything becomes same, like their clothes, their complexion and everything becomes same. That is called
ये कहना चाहते हैं मैं
प्रणय.
पीताम्बर इससे धारण किया है
So Krishna is saying that I have put on the pitambar because you are the golden complexion.
ये तो बस
You have golden complexion.
गोल्डन कंप्लीट इसलिए
That's why.
ये पीठ वर्ण पे जो है
So I have already put on this pitambar, which is golden color.
पीठ वर्ण कपड़े को मैं धारण किया अर्थात आप लोग के साथ हमारी कोई भेद नहीं है
So that's why there is no difference between me and you. This kinds of philosophy of pranay means there is ekatva, oneness.
इसलिए अपने गृहस्थ मन को मैंने पीताम्बर से आच्छादित करके रखा है
So you are golden complexion. That's why I have covered myself with the golden, with the yellow cloth, so that I can become the yellow. So Krishna would like to tell here also,
मैं ऊपर से
hey Gopio,
कृष्ण वर्ण होने के
externally I am Krishna Varna,
वास्तव रूप
but actually
अंदर से
inside from internally
है जन मेरा हृदय भी तुम्हारे
my heart
पीठ वर्ण अनुराग से रंजित है
is always colored with your golden complexion.
तात्पर्य क्या है
What is the meaning here actually?
कृष्ण जो गौर है
Krishna is God.
इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है
There is no doubt in it. Krishna is saying himself.
यहाँ पर कितने सुंदर भाव
Oh, beautiful views is giving here. Krishna is Gaur, Gaur is Krishna. Inside, internally Krishna and externally Gaur, and externally Gaur, internally Krishna. So this kinds of feeling he is expressing. Externally Krishna, inside Gaur, external Krishna. So why insidely Gaur? Because just because of the love of gopis, so his mind, body and soul, everything has become the golden. Whatever the beautiful principle is giving there. Because you are the golden complexion, that's why I have colored my body with the pitambar. I have covered my body with the pitambar. And internally my mind, body is totally colored with your love. My heart is colored with your complexion, with your feelings, with your love. So Saragvi means leaving aside of all ornaments, Shri Krishna wore a fresh, radiant garland of forest flower. Okay, around his charming neck. Amla means which is ever fresh. Amlan means which is fresh. Which is not which is totally fresh. So that's why Krishna in his neck he is wearing a beautiful fresh radiant garlands, forest flowers garland. So he is leaving all kinds of ornaments. So Krishna is saying here, so you have given me the beautiful fresh flowers garlands. It is so dear to me, and just because of that I have left all kinds of ornaments. I am not putting on any kinds of ornaments on my body, because whatever the garlands you have given with the fresh forest flowers, so I am putting on that in my neck, on my neck. So whatever your dearest one give you or anything, so you have to accept that with very respect. Just like when the more dance and they leaves their feathers, and Krishna has so much affection towards the peacocks, so he used to keep on the peacock feather on his head. So just because of they are so much dear, that's why. So what kind of beautiful feelings expressing here. So Shri Krishna is saying himself, I have given up all kinds of ornaments. Just because of putting on your beautiful fresh flowers garlands. Yes. So because the fresh flower is so much cold and soft, that's why Krishna is saying here also, hey gopis, for removing the gopis separation, fire of separation, he is doing so. He expressed the sentiments, you are like the garland's flower, you are like my very heart. So he is disclosing many kinds of meanings. So just like the garlands of flowers, your heart is like same. Your heart is so much soft. I am embracing you. By embracing you, I am praying for forgiveness and beg you to soothe the heat of my feelings of separation from you. You strung this very garland yourself and garland me with it. I am displaying my eternal gratitude by wearing it upon my heart. So Krishna is saying that I am not accepting anybody's else garland. I have already accepted. I have accepted only your garlands.
दिए हुए वस्तु तो मैं
So whatever the things you have given to me, I am keeping it in my heart.
कृतज्ञता,
So I am so much obedient of yours.
मैं अकृतज्ञ नहीं हूँ। कृतज्ञता प्रकट कर रहा
So he is paying his obedience towards the gopis.
है। साक्षात मनमत मनमत
Sakshat Manmat. This is the third one. Shri Krishna's extremely charming beauty, embellished by his being in the midst of the gopis, churned the minds of Cupid.
है, संपरीत है। यहाँ पर लिखा है
So here what is saying,
कामदेव
Vyashti Kamdev and Samashti Kamdev are concealed in
ब्रह्मा को कामदेव
Shankatas.
कामदेव प्रद्युम्न है। और तथा स्वरूपचित कामदेव एक स्वयं नंदन तीन कामदेव के बारे में
There are three Kamdevs is described in the scriptures. Note down.
ये समझने का प्रयास करो।
So we have to try to understand it.
एक होता है क्या
One is
व्यक्ति
Vyashti Kamdev,
है। जीव मात्र के हृदय में वो क्या रहते हैं
who always reside in the human beings. Vyashti Kamdev,
जो मदीस करते हैं
who always disturbs our minds. This is called Vyashti Kamdev.
चिट्ठी से लेकर
From the ants and Brahma from ants till Brahma,
क्या करते हैं
so he is discovering everybody's mind.
बड़े बड़े योगी
Big yogi Mahatma
राजी
defeated by that Vyashti Kam.
वो क्या विश्वामित्र की कथा
So maybe you have heard the story of Vishwamitra.
विश्वामित्र तपस्या करने
When Vishwamitra went for austerity, so at that time he has this kinds of proud ego
जो तपस्या किया
that I have did the austerity.
किंतु देखो
But what happened?
इंद्र ने किया कि कामदेव को ले जाओ
Indra sent to Menka,
तो बोले जाओ इसने तपस्या की
please disturb his austerity.
मेनका ने देखी
What Menka did, she came before Vishwamitra and she ring his bangles.
करना नहीं पड़ा
He didn't do anything. He just ring his bangles.
बजाने के साथ ही साथ क्या हुआ
When she rings his bangle, Vishwamitra eyes opened,
और आंख उनके मेनका के ऐसे सुंदर
and when he saw the beautifulness of Menika, he was so much attracted towards her.
यहाँ पर कथा जो है
So-
महाभारत की कथा और पुराण की कथा नहीं
So according to the Mahabharat Katha and Puran Katha, there is a little bit difference.
जिसके उनके साथ क्या हुआ फिर मेनका के गर्भ से हुए
So ये पुराण के अकॉर्डिंग या महाभारत के?
ये पुत्री हुई वो क्या शकुंतला
So by the womb of Menika, there is a daughter came birth whose name is Shakuntala.
वो कन्या किसकी थी
Whose Kanya is that? Shakuntala?
विश्वामित्र और
Menika.
मेनका में से
So that Shakuntala is the child of Vishwamitra and Menka.
और मेनका भी
So Vishwamitra and Menka both ran away.
पक्षी के तरफ पक्षी के द्वारा वो संरक्षित
So that Shakuntala was nourished by the birds.
इतने हिंसक जंतु और भी तो है
So that Pakshi, that birds was thinking, because there are so much wild animals in the forest, so maybe
पक्षियाँ क्या करने लगी
they can harm that little child. So that's why by their wings that birds always covered
सुकुन कहा
the Shakuntala. there is a one kind of words which is called shakun. Eagle, vulture, gidd. So there is a words like vulture. So he has so much big wings, which is called shakun. He always used to take the very bad qualities meat. So that the big birds who has big wings, so that was is called shakun, shakuntala. That's why her name became Shakuntala. And some people used to say there is one kind of tree, because under that tree she got the nourishment. That's why her name became Shakuntala. Tala means the base. And otherwise, as a second thing is that because she was nourished by that eagle, by vulture, that's why she called Shakuntala, Shakun. So in the morning there was a Karn Muni. He saw a beautiful child, so he took her in his ashram. And then when she became youth, Dushyant, yes. So there was a king when she became youth. So there was a king whose name is Dushyant. So she had love and affection towards her. So then she got pregnant, and she promised. Dushyant said that I'm going, but I will come back. But at the time, once she was sitting somewhere. This is a very interesting story. Shakuntala and Dushyant story is very interesting. So she was sitting somewhere and she was thinking about his husband, because she got the Gandharva marriage in the forest with Shakuntala and Dushyant, and she was thinking about his husband. Are you getting? Shakuntala thinking about her husband. At the time, what happened? She was sitting by the before the bank of a river, and there was Durvasha Rishi came. But because she was thinking about her husband, so she didn't give the respect and she paid attention towards Durvasha. So Durvasha Rishi cursed her that your husband will forget you. So there is a big story and many stories mixed up in this. So she gave up birth to a child, and Dushyant said, because I didn't get married, I don't know you. Like he was saying like this. So whatever the child took the birth from her womb, so his name become Bharat. And with that Bharat name, this country name became Bharat. But our Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada said, actually our Bharat, the Indian name is become, our country names become, is first earlier its name was Ajnav Varsh, Indian name. So but just because of the Bharat Rishi, his name become, this country name became Bharat. किसके पुत्र थे? और शकुंतला और दुष्यंत के पुत्र था भरत. अच्छा.
ये भरत महाराज के नाम पर जो है
कौन से वाले?
ये भरत महाराज जब राजा ऋषभदेव के पुत्र.
So the Rishabdev sons Bharat, just because Rishabdev 100 sons, so just because amongst 100 there was one, amongst the 100 sons, there was 9 who did some 9 becomes Navayogendra and 1 became Bharat. So amongst them one was Bharat. So just because of his name, India's name, country name became Bharat. 81 So there is a discrimination, like 81 did something any work, 9 was involved in something else, became the king from some different countries or different states, and 9 there is a 9 became Navayogen and 1 became Bharat.
पहले तो नाम हो गया भारतवर्ष नाम हो गया भरत के नाम से नहीं हो रहा.
So Indian's country, this country name doesn't became Bharat because of Jad Bharat. Bharat just because of Jad Bharat. No. When Rishabh Dev's sons Bharat
उसके नाम पर ही
just because of his name, Indian's country name became Bharat. Because because he was so much attracted towards the deer, and that's why he got the birth of deer in his next life, and after next life he got the birth of Jad Bharat. ऋषभ देव के पुत्र भारत के नाम भारत. When he was so young and he got the kingdom, and he has given up that kingdoms in an instant way, just like a stool. So his name became this country name became Bharat. But in the Mahabharat, Shakuntala's son named Bharat, so that's why it is called the Indian country name became Bharat. Somewhere it is mentioned, but this is not true. According to Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he said he is destroying that philosophy that Shakuntala's son he took the birth later, but the Rishabh Rishi's sons Bharat, he took the birth earlier. That's why this Indian country name became Bharat, just because of his name. Are you getting?
अपने राज्य पे जो है अपने पुत्रों को नहीं दिया.
नहीं
रामायण के लिए भरत ही किसी और को दे दिया पुत्रों को योग में.
In the Maharashtra, there was a king who didn't give his kingdom to his sons. I don't know his name. He is also called the Shakuntala's Putra Bharat. So according to the Kalp, according to the times, the situation is different. So now we are coming to the Katha. So Katha we were describing. There are 3 kinds of Kamdev. First is Vyast. So Vyasti Kamdev. And one is another is called Samashti Kamdev, who is Pradyumna. And the origin Kamdev is Ananda Nandan Brajen Nandan Sham Sundar Krishna. So the material Madan Kamdev intoxicates all the jivas, but the material Madan receives darshan of Shri Krishna's form, which enchants the 3 worlds. He falls unconscious, and Sakshat Manmat Krishna, who is transcendental Kamdev, manifested such as a form to calm the gopi suffering. Shri Krishna Chandra displayed his Mohini Murti and even bewildered Mahadev in the form of Rudra, the Shivji who destroyed the Kamdev by his third eyes, by the fire of his third eyes. You know this story maybe?
और देखो कृष्ण ने क्या किया,
And what Krishna did?
मोहिनी रूप धारण करके
He got the form of Mohini
शिवजी को क्या कर
and he
त्रिभुवन को घुमा दिया।
so when Shri Krishna Chandra displays his Mohini Murti, Mohini form, and even bewilder Mahadev in his form as a Rudra.
विकास रास
But actually Shri Krishna's form as Sakshat Manmat is only displayed in the Ras Mandal.
मथुर रूप जो है
The Krishna's original Manmat, the Kamdev form, it is displayed in the Ras Leela. Ras
श्यामे रमा रमणम सुंदरता वरिष्ठ
Swame Rama Ram 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 Jagatachananishcha
श्यामश्च वामबद्ध
Shamasya Vamavadhya
शंकरा तामिन्द्राभरम।
Tamriddha Varam, like this.
राधा जी की सौंदर्य माधुर्य प्रकाश जो
So the expansion of Radharani's Saundarya and Madhurya,
अपनी सौंदर्य माधुर्य प्रकाश
and when Krishna is expressing his Saundarya and Madhurya,
रासस्थली में
and they are presenting at the topmost beautifulness both in the Ras Leela.
सामने ही कृष्ण जो है
So before the Radha ji, Krishna expressed his beautiful topmost form. He expressed this Manmat form.
वो रूप इतने सुंदर
This form is so beautiful, so beautiful.
अपने रूपों के प्रकाश के
Because Krishna is expressing or increasing his beautifulness in the same way Radha ji is increasing his beautifulness. So this is called means competition.
तुम अपने
Both are competing each other. So Radha, because Krishna is increasing his beautifulness and same Radha ji is increasing her beautifulness.
है आदि लीला चतुर्थ परिषद में भी लिखा है वहाँ रुपये में और जुड़ा
Hoda Hodi means they are competing each other.
कंपटीशन है जितने बड़ा है
So how much Krishna can increase his beautifulness, Radha ji is also increasing her beautifulness.
विरुद्ध भाव में दिखाया है तीन विरुद्ध भाव में राधा जी दिखाया
There are three kinds of against bhav. Viruddha bhav mein is showed in Radha ji,
जो संभव नहीं है
which is not possible. But it's still we are seeing that
आदि लीला
in Adi Leela.
हवाई थी ना विभूति कलयम
Adi Leela Vibhuti Kalyam. What is this?
विभूति गौरम चजल
Wow, beautiful shlok. Rupa Goswami Pad wrote this shloka. Which shloka I don't know.
कृष्ण अपने रूप में कितने बड़ा राधा
When Krishna is increasing his beautifulness, the same way Radha ji is increasing.
ये क्या है विरुद्ध भाव
And there is no place to increasing, but still they are increasing. This is called Vriddha Bhava Maya. There is a one glass of water.
तो ग्लास में जितना पूरा भूर भर गया
So the glass is full of water.
उसमें भी एक बूंद
And
पानी दिया
if you give a one drop of water, then that water drop will fall down.
किंतु आश्चर्य की बात
But there's the astonished thing,
पानी दे रहे
they are giving water.
समाज जा रहे
But it is submerging in that, but it is not falling down, coming out from the glass.
हैं ये तो प्राकृतिक
So this is the transcendental.
प्राकृतिक जगत में ये
In the transcendental world,
अधिक दिया है
if there is a glasses full of water, and if you pour one more drop, so whatever that drop will fall down.
जो वाणी के नहीं
But Radha ji's Saundarya is increasing so much. There is no place to increase, but still it is increasing. This is called Viruddha Bhav Alankar. Viruddha Bhav Alankar.
विरुद्ध विरुद्धभास अलंकार
Viruddha Virodhavas Alankar.
विरुद्धभास अलंकार
This is called Viruddhavas Alankar, means against, which is not possible, still it is happening.
वाणी के स्थान में तो बढ़ते
So there is no place of increasing beauty, but still it is increasing.
राधा जी के तीन जो है
There are three kinds of Virodhavas of Radha ji. So it is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. When you learn Bengali, then you will come to know. Adi Leela Chatur Panchan. Adi Leela Chatur means fourth. chapter. कामदेव हो गए.
बोले स्वयं कृष्ण साक्षात मन्मथ रूपता विकास राजकुंडली.
So Shri Krishna's form as Sakshat Manmath. Manmath is only displayed in the Ras Mandal, not any other places before the Radhaji. So he is expressing his beautifulness, the Manmath Roop before the Radhaji in Ras Mandal. This is come down by Shri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela. So the complete Manmath form is displayed in the Ras Leela. So Katha we always used to say, when Krishna was coming for Ras Leela, for doing Ras, at the time what happened? Kamdev said, oh, I have defeated everybody, I have attracted everybody by my arrows, with my five arrows. So many kinds of speakers, they used to tell it very interesting way. So at the time Kamdev said, they came in the Ras Leela before starting the Ras. Krishna said, who are you? So Kamdev said, you don't know me. No one can escape myself before my eyes. When I put my eyes on someone, so he cannot escape himself. This is the Kamdev. So from my aunts and even Brahma, they cannot escape from my eyes, from my arrows. If the tiger keep on his eyes to you, that I will take his meat, so you cannot escape yourself. You know, if tigers keep his eyes on you, then you cannot save yourself. He will take you. It will you catch up like a catch up. So this is called Bhagya Drishti. And Sapir means, and if Brahmaji has written that where you will die by the biting the snake, you will die. If it is written by Brahma, so where you will die, it is all mentioned by the Brahma. That somebody will die by the corona or by the natural death, and you will die by another suffering and the disease. So it is all mentioned. So that's why don't worry about corona, just go out. Why are you crying? He's not saying like this, I'm saying. अरे गुरुदेव, ब्राजील के प्राइम मिनिस्टर को कोरोना हो गया है, पॉजिटिव आया है. ब्राजील का प्रेसिडेंट जो है. अरे नहीं, लिखने नहीं, न्यूज़ में आ रहा है. Okay, we are not going to the Brazil president over. Just try to escape yourself. What we can do? चाहे विधि राखे राम, ताई विधि रहिए. So try to escape yourself how much it is possible, because epidemic is going on, pandemic. So how much we can save ourselves, we should do that. That a snake will bite you and you will die. If it is mentioned, if it is in your destiny, that you will die that. But still, if we can escape ourselves, that a snake is chasing us. So if we can far away, if we can go from there, we can escape ourselves. So we should try. If we see the snake and we say, oh, if I will die with the snake biting, so why I'm running? So I should stay here. No. You should always try to run fast when you see the snake. So whenever your death is confirmed, so you will die there. Even it is said
ट्रेन भाड़ा करके किसी किसी उसी स्थान पर पहुंचेगा.
Yes, where your destination, where is that confirm at that place? So by the train, by the plane, by the bus, by the car, or cycle even, you will go there. So because it is the vidhi vidhan, it is the nature of the vidhata, the Brahma.
केवल एकमात्र भगवत भजन करे भगवत इच्छा को बचा सकते हैं.
If you are performing bhajan and sadhan so much nicely, very nicely, so by the desire of Bhagwan you can saved.
क्या वो उसका नाम क्या है?
किसमें?
उसको मारने के लिए
It is mentioned in the Bhagavatam when Jayadratha was going to,
कौरव लोग
when Jayadratha was killing, all the Kaurav tried so much efforts. Arjun took the vow that I will kill the Jayadratha. If I won't kill the Jayadratha till evening, that I will take the Agni Samadhi. I will kill myself into the fire. So all the Kauravas, they tried so much efforts to save Jayadratha,
किसी प्रकार से जो है
that anyhow we have to save Jayadratha. Then otherwise Mahabharata will end. And if Arjun died, so there is no other one who fight with us, because nobody has the Brahmas, rather only Arjun have. All the Divyas and Brahmas have, only Arjun have these all kinds of astra. So that's why Duryodhana and Shakuni, they planned that we have to save Jayadratha. So he was kept in a very far place, and there was many kinds of senas, many kinds of soldiers covering the Jayadratha, because so by the Arjun it is not possible to kill him.
आप बताओ फिर भगवान ने क्या किया?
Then what Bhagwan did? Why the chakra he has covered the sun, and when Jayadratha came out, so Bhagwan said, "Oh Arjun, where are you going, my dear friend?" So he said, "Oh, because this is the sunset, now I am going to die." So he said, "Why are you going? If you are going to die, you take your arrow and go." So he said, "Okay." So when Bhagwan just removed the chakra from the sun, and there was a beautiful sunshine. Oh, so Jayadratha was killed, and Parikshit was saved by the Krishna in the womb of Uttara. When Ashwathama threw the arrows of Brahmastra, it is mentioned in the Bhagavad. And Bhagwan saved the Parikshit in the womb of Uttara with the Gada. So Vishnu Ratma, who is saved by Vishnu, that's why his name became Parikshit, because he is already taking the darshan in the womb of Uttara of Bhagwan. And here it is saying that who bite Parikshit Maharaj? Snakes, the Takshak Nag. It is possible? No, it is not possible. Who is the Bhagwan who saved that child in the womb of the mother, in the Uttara's womb? Bhagwan Krishna entered into the womb, and he saved by the Gada, and he destroyed the Brahmastra in the womb of Uttara. This is the Leela of Bhagwan. And here it is showing in the Bhagavatam, it is showing in the last shlokas, when Chakshak came and he bite to Parikshit Maharaj. It is not like that. This is Indrajalik Leela. There are many kinds of katha, is Indrajalik katha, just for making the interest of taking the interest of the people, just for attracting the peoples, and just for the attracting to the peoples, that Parikshit Maharaj was bite by the snakes. And he is showing like this, that maybe the Brahman he has given, because there is a lesson only, because they want to show that maybe somebody can disobey the Brahman, because Brahman, if they have curse and boons, so that have to be fulfilled. So what happened actually? Parikshit Maharaj, when he was hearing Bhagavatam, so Parikshit Maharaj meditated and he disappeared. So no Takshak came actually. कौन सा? Jaimini Rishi told this story. the Vyasdev disciple Jaimini, he told this story.
ये बृहद भागवत में सनातन ऋषि
So it is mentioned in the Brihad Bhagavatam by the Sanatana Goswami Path very nicely. That's why you should read Brihad Bhagavatam Granth also. और कौन सा पंचक,
मेरे पिताजी को सांप काट को मैं ढंग से
because Jaimini was thinking, Jaimini said, my father, you know,
ऐसे तैसे ऋषि नहीं है
Jamdagni, yes. Jamdagni said, my father was killed by the snake, so now I'm going to destroy all the destiny, all the dynasty of the snakes, and then I will kill all the snakes, all the dynasty of them. He was so much angry. This is Janmanje, I don't know, Janmanje, very nice.
और वो तब तक डर गए
And the Takshak was so much feared. What?
नाम लिया
When he said, where is Takshak? Takshak Swaha. Takshak was so much feared. He was so much feared. He went to Indra,
सिंहासन को वो
and he was covered the Singhasan of Indra.
ऋषि लोग क्या करते
And what Rishi is doing? Indra is Swaha. They are doing like this. Taksha is Swaha. They are calling the Takshak. They are calling Takshak, come. Now your time is done. Now time is over. Come on here. Come on, take the position in the fire. Now you have to die. And Takshak came with within the Singhasan. When they were calling Takshak, in the Takshaka is Swaha, so Takshak came with the Indra Singhasan because he has covered all the Singhasan with his body. So Janmat,
वास्तव रूप में तुम्हारे पिताजी की जो है
so Jamdagni Rishi, he is saying, Jaimini Rishi is saying, actually your father was not bited by the snakes because he already went away. Who has heard the Bhagavatams? They have already gone. It is described also in the.
परीक्षित महाराज क्या समाधि
So because when Parikshit Maharaj was hearing the Bhagavad Katha, after that he is samadhist, he got meditate.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
In the Srimad Bhagavatam,
कथा इसी प्रकार है
there is a story like this.
परीक्षित सुखदेव चले गए
Sukdev Goswami Path went away after speaking the Hari Katha.
हे परीक्षित तुम्हारे समय
Hey Parikshit, now your time is over. Now you meditate, being in the samadhi, and go your dham abode.
समाधि के चिंतन करो
Just meditate yourself.
तो समाधियों के चिंतन से
And he just meditated and went away.
इस शरीर में
So in the transcendental body, he went to his abode. So because there is a gross body of Maya, so maybe that Leela happened that Taksha came in and Taksha bitten.
तो भक्त होते हैं
So the pure devotee of Lord,
तो अपने चित शरीर में भगवान के नाम
so by chanting the holy name in that transcendental body, they went to abode. They are Bhagwan Dham.
चली यहाँ पर
And this gross body always keep here.
शुद्ध किसी के माइंड शरीर रखते भी नहीं है जैसे ध्रुव की कहा
Because it is said, Dhruva,
किसी के कथा प्रसंग में नारद ऋषि तो अपने शरीर को स्वतंत्र दिखाई
Narad Rishi, it is mentioned in the Bhagavatam, in the first canto of Narad Vyasa conversation, that Narad Rishi destroyed his body. But Dhruv Rishi, he went to the abode, Dhruv Lok, with his body.
तो देखो तो साथ आ गए ध्रुव
When Mrityu Devta come to the Dhruv, before the Dhruv,
नियम के लिए तो तुम्हारे शरीर हमारे प्राप्त हो है
hey, according to the rule, I need your body.
समय ध्रुव जी करने
So at the time Dhruv said, okay, I am chanting the holy name, let me finish my mantra, then you can take my body.
वो मृत्यु देवता वहीं पर बैठे
So Mrityu Devta was sitting there,
देखो भगवान के नाम
the Devta of death. So the person who is chanting the holy name of Bhagwan and Bhagwan mantras, so
और वो मंत्र जब मृत्यु देवता बैठे रहे
so when that Mrityu Devta was sitting, when he will complete his
और पैर रख
complete his finished mantra, I will take him. But what Dhruv did, he put his feet on the head of the Mrityu Devta and he went to the Dhruv Lok.
ऐसे अनेक ऋषि लोग
So there are many kinds of rishis.
शरीर को पतन नहीं देगा
There is no destruction of their body by the body.
और कभी कभी संत महात्मा जो अपने शरीर को रख करके जन्म दिखाते हैं क्यों नहीं दिखाते लोगों को मिला के
तो तुकाराम जी का भी यही दिखाते हैं गुरुदेव। तुकाराम भी सत शरीर गए थे महाराष्ट्र के।
जा सकते कोई समझे नहीं।
maybe many kinds of sant they can go with their gross body to the abode of Bhagwan.
चाहे तो अपने खुद दे दो।
If Bhakt want, then they can go by their body to the abode of Bhagwan, but still they would like to perform the Leela.
कोई जाए उनके बात करो, कोई बात
So may their followers, their devotees,
नहीं, सब पैदा करें।
maybe they cannot sometimes, bad feelings about my.
ये सब साधारण लोग समझ नहीं पाए।
So the general people, common people cannot understand it. What to about common people? The big scholar cannot understand it. How is it possible? This is the Leela of Bhagwan. Everything can be possible by the wish of Bhagwan.
जामिल की कथा भी सुना है।
You have heard the story of Ajamil.
वो विमान पर बैठ
Ajamil didn't give up his body. When he was performing the bhajan sadhana at the Haridwar, at the bank of Ganga, so he performed bhajan there, and there is a chariot came, and with the sashir, with his body, he went with this chariot. This is the Ajamil Katha. He didn't give up his body.
और ये बड़े बड़े संत महात्मा चाहते हैं ये सब कैसे कैसे
And there are big people, but दंडकारी की तो ग्रॉस बॉडी वैसे ही चली गई थी ना, वो तो प्रेत बना हुआ था ना. So because Dandakari left his gross body and he was in a spirit form, that's why he went with the transcendental body. So what's my meaning to say?
भक्त चाहे तो सब
If Bhakt wants, then they can go with the body to the transcendental abode. But I don't want to. I want to give up. I don't want to with this body.
स्मरण करते रहते
And now I'm going to ask a question to Gurudev. Gurudev,
हैं उसकी परिक्रमा आदि करते हैं उसकी पूजा पाठ आदि करते हैं।
गुरुदेव जैसे कोई पुरुष शरीर में है और गोपी भाव है, उसका मतलब गोपी शरीर है उसकी ट्रांसजेंडर बॉडी, तो फिर कैसे जाएगा वो? जैसे कोई भक्त है वो पुरुष बॉडी में है और वो वास्तव में गोपी है भगवान की, तो फिर वो कैसे जाएगा शरीर? वो भक्त कैसे जाएगा? अच्छा
वो अलक्षित रूप में जो है वो प्रतीत हो पूरी जिंदगी वो प्रकाश में
तो उन्होंने तो अपनी बॉडी गिव अप करी ना. There are two kinds of Leela, Bhakt or Bhagwan, Indrajalik Leela and very true Leela. Indrajalik Leela. So they came into the world just because of desire of Bhagwan. The pure devotees of Lord, just like our Guru works, they didn't come by their wish. They came there just because of by Bhagwan inspiration. Bhagwan sent them to go and preach. Sukdev Goswami Pad. Who sent? Radhaji sent herself. There is a katha is like that. The Shuk Pakshi don't want to come here. According to the katha, the Shuk Pakshi, so Pandit also described that from the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, Radhaji said herself, hey Shuk, you go to the Mrityu Lok and spread our katha, because they are so much suffering. The Mrityu Lok people are suffering so much. After hearing our katha, they will be liberated. They will be attached with katha. At that time, Shuk Pakshi is saying, because he is very dear to Shuk, no, I don't want to that Mrityu Lok because Maya will catch me up. So the Radhaji is saying, Are, I am blessing you. Why are you worrying? Maya, I am heartily blessing you. You go the Mrityu Lok. Maya will not touch you. So this is the character of Sukdev. Stri Shuk. So he took the shelter of the egg of the Shuk Pakshi, and then he took birth there. Parvati ji. So Shivji was telling the katha to Parvati ji. Kailash. नहीं, अरे अमरनाथ. Sorry, Amarnath. It is the katha of Amarnath. So that's why it is called the Bhagwan Katha. The katha was happened in the Amarnath. That is why that locale is Amarnath, where Shivji, because that Shuk Pakshi came in this Mrityulok by taking the shelter of the egg of the Shuk Pakshi. So because you have heard the story of the birth of the Shukdev Goswami, Parvati. Yes. So where Shuk Pakshi was saying and Shivji said, who is saying Parvati has slept. So who is saying Now when he saw around, so there is a Shuk Pakshi was there. Oh, he said, you have heard the story, now you will become Amar. So now I will kill you. Then Vyasdev, he went away from there, he flew and came into the womb of Vyasdev's wife. And when Shivji came, hey Vyasdev, have you seen the sun? So he said, oh yes, like this. You have heard the story maybe. Kiska? In the Delhi Mutt, in Raman Bihari Gaudiya Mutt, where when Gurudev came from Russia, so I was present there. Then Gurudev, किसकी स्टोरी है? Gurudev went to park. There's a little park, not the big one. From the back side of the Raman Bihari Gaudiya Mutt, there is a park. So you were not there, so how can I explain you? So okay, he went to that park. So our Rohinandan Prabhu, Karol Bagh wale, the bigger one, he said, Gurudev, tell me one thing. We haven't completed our bhajan sadhan. I have heard Param Guru Maharaj said, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami said, so for liberating my disciples, how many works I have to take and I have to come. So for our liberation you will come again and again. So Gurudev said, no, I won't come. Somebody has recorded it and you asked them this. Gurudev said, no, I won't come. Clearly he is saying, I have heard. Somebody who has recorded, they knew, they have heard. The person who was present there, they said, Gurudev said, no, I won't come. No. So, but somebody with the same feeling of mind will come. Krishna will send someone like-minded, like me. So, Narayan Maharaj won't come. But with the same feeling of like Narayan Maharaj will come here. So why Narayan Maharaj will come again? Oh, that's why Guru Tattva is Akhanda Guru Tattva. Oh. So Gurudev say, I have so many disciples, so I have to liberate them again and again. Come on this bhumi. No, not like this. So in the Brad Bhagavatam it is saying, Gop Kumar is telling his katha to the Mathur Brahman. I was doing the cow herding with the Krishna. I was ready there. When you learn the Brad Bhagavatam, Gop Kumar is saying, when he went to Golok Vrindavan in the morning, where Krishna was getting ready for cow herding, so Krishna was moving, Sakha was also moving. Gop Kumar said, I was also joining them. So I was just following him. At the time Radhaji came, he said, hey Gop Kumar, where are you going, boy? Gop Kumar, Swarup, his name was Swarup there in the Nitya Leela. Hey, you don't go to the cow herding with Krishna today. So he said, where I go? Where should I go? Radha is saying herself, you go to the Mrityulok and there is your favorite disciple Jana Sharma, Mathur Brahman, and liberated him, take him here. Oh, this is the story. Have you heard this or not? Oh. So it is clearly mentioned that Radhaji herself told to Gopkumar, hey Gopkumar, Swarup, he told to Swarup, hey Swarup, you go to the Mrityulok. So just because of instructing of Radhaji, he came on the earth for liberating Jan Sharma, Mathur Brahman. So no one will come with his own desire. When Radhaji will send, then he will come according to the desire of Bhagwan. Okay. So they comes by the desire of Krishna and they goes by the desire of Krishna. And Jeev is suffering in this world and going and coming in this world. They are, because they don't go to Brahmavan, so they are suffering. They are coming in this world again and again just because of their karma. But from the transcendental world, the Mukta Purushas came just because of Radha and Krishna desire, not on their own desire. They used to come on this earth just because of Radha Krishna desire for liberating these jivas. When Bhagwan came himself and Bhagwan called to everyone, oh chalo chalo chalo, we are going to perform Leela on the Mrityulok, come join me. If you want to join, you can. So Mahaprabhu called everybody, hey come, I am going to perform a Leela on this Mrityulok. So he never left anybody. Back onto devotees, Ayodhya devotees, Dwarika devotees, Mathura devotees and Golok Vrindavan devotees. So Mahaprabhu called everybody. Chalo bhaiya, there is a Leela is going on. My Leela is going to perform in the Mrityulok. Who would like to take part? Come, join me. So this is the speciality of Mahaprabhu. He invited everybody. He called also me, but he left me. Mahaprabhu also called me, but he left me. 24 hours they are keeping engaged themselves in the service of Bhagwan. और क्या? The question is, whenever Bhagwan comes, he comes with his own desire. This is a very beautiful question. If you say, like this, I have never heard that something is written there. Bhagwan always mix up his desires with the desires of Bhakta. Whenever Bhakta calls Bhagwan, he comes here. हर समय थोड़ी ना आते भक्त, तो हर समय बुलाते हैं. Krishna always comes with their associates, with their dham, with their parikar, and in the same time he kept his one Swarup there also in Nitya Vrindavan, Nitya Golok Dham. Krishna is performing 3 leelas in one time. So Nitya Golok Aprakat Leela, the Nitya Leela, Golok Vrindavan Leela. One is this. Second, and he is performing any Brahman, there is Leelas going on. And third one is Adrashya. Third one, which one is third? Prakat, Aprakat. And which one is third? Yes. नो मे बी वी कैन से अप्रकट लीला इज गोइंग ऑन, प्रकट लीला, अप्रकट लीला और किसी ब्रह्मांड में जो चल रही है वो लीला, तीन। अभी जो अप्रकट लीला है ना यहाँ पे हो तो रही है वृंदावन में लीला, हम नहीं देख पा रहे, ऋषि लोग तो दर्शन कर रहे हैं। So there are two leelas, three leelas, 2 or 3. हैं? एक तो आवाज नहीं आ रही। When Mahaprabhu took sannyas, so all the persons are there, all the associates are there. When Mahaprabhu took the sannyas and Lalita, Vishakha and Gadadhar, Radhaji also there. Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, all are there. In the one form they are all there. That's why he is saying. One Sakhi from another Sakhi saying to from the Golok Vrindavan, that's how our Prankant took sannyas today. One Sakhi in the Golok Vrindavan saying to another Sakhi, Dekho, now today our Prankant has taken sannyas in one shlok. So he has one form there and another form is here. He can manifest it many form also. One Sarup he is there and one Sarup is here. At that time Gopians laughing with each other, how Krishna can took sannyas, how he can took sannyas, he cannot take sannyas. Whatever the color we have left, our body is there, so that Krishna has took that color. This is all described. If we talk about Rup Goswami, take to Gurudev. है Rup Manjari is there in the Aprakat Golok Vrindavan. Now Aprakat Leela is going on. There also Rup Manjari is also there. Rup Goswami is there. Rup Manjari is there. Some Pandit says अरे बट रूप मंजरी में रूप गोस्वामी नहीं है. So some people used to say that there is a Rupa Goswami in Rupa Manjari is not available, but in the Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari is there. Are you getting? Yeah. In the Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari is there, but in the Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami is not there. Some people used to say like this, but this is not true. This is the Pandit Pakya. Pandit used to say there is a Rupa Manjari in Rupa Goswami, but in the Rupa Manjari there is no Rupa Goswami.
आचार्य रूप मंदिर में आचार्य
साधक रूपेण सिद्धो रूपेण साधक रूपेण, किंतु उनके शरीर सिद्ध है कि नहीं?
His body is transcendental. Rupa Goswami body is transcendental. So one is Sadhak Rupena, one is Siddha Rupena.
नारायण महाराज
If we take the example of Gurudev,
है कि नहीं?
Raman Maharaj Raman Manjari is not. Yes, he is Raman Manjari.
है? और फिर वहाँ पर जब जा रहे हैं
When he is going there, so where he gone? Submerged हो गए?
है?
Submerged.
है वो स्वरूप दर्शन से जो जैसे जन्म के अनुसार,
So
क्योंकि भगवान के शतद्वीप लीला और नवद्वीप लीला जो है
हाँ.
एक ऐसे जैसे दो प्रकृष्ट माना गया।
So Bhagwan Navdeep Leela and Vrindavan Leela is just like a two prakosht.
अपराधी वस्तु समझाने के लिए अनेक प्रश्नों का व्यवहार किया।
So for making the understand the transcendental thing, we are use so many words.
अपराधी तो वस्तु के अंदर है, इसलिए कहते हैं साधक रूपेण सिद्ध रूपेण।
There are two kinds of forms, Sadhak Rupena and Siddha Rupena.
है उसमें
It is also.
चले नहीं गए
तो वो
हैं? पंडित लोग कहते हैं
हमारे जो और उनके हैं श्रीनिवासाचार्य जी है, वो अपने उसी शरीर से निकल के राधा को मना गए, शरीर में ध्यान लगाए, वो इनसे निकल के राधा को मना गए।
ये हमारे ये बाबा एक कहते हैं कि जहाँ पर हम जाते ये अरे तीर जमीर में
we used to go to Dhir Samir, Gopal Guru Goswami. We have the Samadhi there of Gopal Guru Goswami. What is the story of this? I don't know.
मैंने क्या बोला?
ये जो बोलने दे जो बोलता है बोलने को नहीं क्या ये जिसका ये है
So whatever the people is speaking, let them speak. Hare Bhaiya.
जो है क्या नाम है ध्यानचंद्र गोस्वामी। ध्यानचंद्र गोस्वामी
Jhan Chandra Goswami, when he came here,
को देखा कि नहीं
he saw his guru or not?
है सारी बात ये डायरेक्ट बातचीत
He talked to his guru, Jhan Chand and Gopal Guru Goswami, I think.
तो ये सब बहुत है हम लोग कहानी काम करते हैं।
जब बड़ी ठाकुर परिक्रमा करते थे वृंदावन,
When Chakravarti Thakur used to do parikrama of Vrindavan,
प्रभु जी बता रहे थे,
Prabhuji was saying,
कुछ लोग आए उनको मारने
when
के लिए,
somebody came for
सहजिया लोग इतना सबसे मारने के लिए प्रयास किए।
Sahaja tried to kill Vishwanath Chakradipal.
तो आगे बढ़े
When he moved forward, so he saw,
तो वो कहने लगे विश्वनाथ चक्र ने देखा
so you seen the Vishwanath Chakra, there is a beautiful lady, young girls came there. So he said, yeah, he's coming behind.
फिर वही समझते लोग सब विश्वनाथ चक्र के चरण में आ गए।
And then all the Sahaja came into the feet of Vishwanath Chakradipal.
आप बताओ
Have you heard this story?
तो विश्वनाथ चक्र के चक्रवर्ती में उनके अंदर में है बाहर है तो कैसे कहेंगे इसमें नहीं है? आप बताओ
Yes, this is the right thing.
इला के द्वारा स्पष्टीकरण करो।
So we'll clarify with this Leela. There is
सभी लड़की आ गया
Vishwanath Chakravarti, which Manjari is she? Vishwanath Chakravarti? बात कौन सी मंजरी?
है मेरे हाँ मेरे पीछे आ गए
अरे
है ऐसे
कौन सी मंजरी है?
और देखा कि अपनी को देखा वही नहीं कर रहा है।
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती बात कौन सी मंजरी थी को
हैं?
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती बात मंजरी कौन सी मंजरी?
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती का सर क्या नाम?
अरे
तो बाद में आया कि उनके सर के कहीं लिखा
his Swarup is mentioned. I have to check in Google. My phone is busy this time.
बाद में तो पहली शब्द
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद विश्व मंजरी हरि बोल।
दोनों के बाद विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाद गया रूप गोस्वामी करके साक्षात गोस्वामी को वही रूप गोस्वामी विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती के रूप में आए हैं।
So Rup Goswami came into the form of Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. It is said like this. Srila Rup Goswami Pad.
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती के रूप में आए हैं।
He came into the form of Rup Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad.
अनेक विधान चलो तो आप ये जो बता दिया रूप गोस्वामी
प्रेमा मंजरी
प्रेम सुना
चलो I will check and let you know all the viewers. You don't worry, I will let you know. So this is the भाषा पंडित. चलो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. यहाँ पे एक व्यूवर्स बोल रहे हैं प्रेम मंजरी विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती पाठ प्रेम मंजरी. Where it is mentioned I don't know. व्यूवर्स
देखना पड़ेगा मेरे पास किताब है.
अरे अभी मैं देखता हूँ बता. मेरे पास है एक.
गूगल पे देखो गूगल पे
गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Where it is mentioned that he is Prem Manjari? Tell me where it is mentioned he is Prem Manjari. चलो गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. सी यू टुमारो.